Welcome to a phenomenal event that we are holding for a very exclusive number of our community at the flagship Berluti store in London on Conduit Street in the heart of Mayfair, where we're celebrating all things French, all things artisan, whether in terms of leatherwork, fashion, and of course horology. We've invited probably the perfect partner in Trilobe to come and showcase their beautiful watches, including the Full Journée and the Trente Deux, and of course the Nuit Fantastique. So it's going to be a fusion of independent, artisan, French creations. Let's enjoy the night.
Hello, good evening everyone. I'm Jessica and I'm extremely happy to host this special event here in our Berluti Conduit Street flagship store in London. The collaboration with the limited edition event with Trilobe, it makes us extremely happy, and we really hope everyone is going to enjoy the night. Thank you.
You know, it's a pleasure for us to be here tonight with you, and very happy to introduce you to our brand and our collections. Thank you so much for Berluti's team to welcome us here tonight. It's a pleasure, and I hope you will enjoy your evening with us. And please don't hesitate to come see us to understand more about our universe.
So Jessica, what can I say? Thank you so much for having us.
Oliver, it's a pleasure. It's such a pleasure having you here with us tonight. We are extremely happy to host this special moment, and we are delighted to have this moment with the limited edition event with Trilobe here at our Maison in Conduit Street. Thank you.
Well, it's for me, it was the obvious collaboration, a perfect partnership and celebration of French artisan creations, luxury both in terms of menswear, whether it's fashion, whether it's leatherwork, and of course horology between Berluti and Trilobe. Natasha, thank you so much again.
Thank you, thank you.
Guys, that's enough from us from an amazing event at Berluti in Mayfair. We'll see you next time.
Thank you.